Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 115 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are continuing with our arpeggios with exercise 169.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Exercise 169 is actually kind of a long exercise, okay? Because we keep going through iterations on the C major scale. Now, remember, Marchesi does mark that we can take a breath, and it's always after the what? Yeah, the first note of the following measure, okay? So you can put together one measure, you can do two measures, depending on how fast you do this, right? We're gonna be taking this in little bite-sized chunks as we work through this, because we just wanna make sure that when we're doing this arpeggiation in the same scale and we're not like actually transposing the arpeggios, it can get a little tricky because it's not what our ear is used to. It's not the same intervallic measurements every single time. So it is good just to stop and kind of take this one apart a little bit. So here we have the first, we've got easy, right? Okay, except that we actually don't come back down to that C. Did you notice? So we're actually doing okay, yes. Now we're gonna breathe, and now do you hear this? Next one, E. So what I notice in this skip of a fourth is that the throat kind of wants to lift because it's like not used to the fourth. It's like, wait, we were doing the third and now we're doing the fourth. So let's do that one again. Okay, take a breath. Now listen. This one is pretty normal because it's that C major thing again. Now we've got the F, right? Okay, now listen. Now what note do we come down to? G. Okay, so we've got this. Okay, now this next one, this is pretty easy, except listen to this. When we come back down, bum, 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 bum. Then we go bum, bum, bum. So we've got that fourth the second time around. So just watch out for that one, okay? Okay, now we've got right? So we keep having those fourth jumps down. Now, and then we're back down at our C major. So you see why that one can be a little bit tricky, because it's not the same scale degrees and the distance between each of the notes are not the same all the time. So I would really break that one down like I just did, do that. And then before you get any kind of speed or transposing, really feel comfortable with the exercise, okay? But even if you want to just stay on the C major scale, I think it's totally fine, and it really does its work, especially when you're going through 194 of these exercises, right?